If your Rockstar Games Launcher isn't opening, keeps crashing, or simply isn't working, this guide will walk you through several proven fixes to get it running again. Let's start with the first solution. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and launch the app. In the left panel, click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and select Manage Settings. Then scroll to the bottom and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion, choose Folder, and navigate to your Rockstar Games installation folder. In most cases, you'll find it by going to C:\program files, x86, /Rockstar Games. Select the Rockstar Games folder and click Select Folder to add it to the exclusion list. Once that's done, close Windows Security and try opening the Rockstar Games Launcher again. If the launcher still won't open, move on to the next fix. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Open Program Files, x86, and locate the Rockstar Games folder. Rename the folder by adding an underscore symbol at the beginning of its name, then press Enter. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. After renaming the folder, return to your desktop. Right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Wait a few moments to see if the launcher starts normally. In many cases, this resolves the issue. If you're still having trouble, here's another solution. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search box, type OneDrive. If Microsoft OneDrive appears and you don't actively use it, you can try uninstalling it, as it has been known to cause compatibility issues with the Rockstar Games Launcher on some systems. If you rely on OneDrive for syncing your files, you should skip this step. To uninstall it, click the three-dot menu next to Microsoft OneDrive, select Uninstall, and confirm the removal. Once the process is complete, try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher again. One of these methods should resolve the problem and get the launcher working properly. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.